As the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 series launch approaches, all eyes are on Samsung's pivotal choices shaping the flagship's core. Blending Samsung's Exynos 2400 and Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 system-on-chip has sparked widespread anticipation for enhanced chipset performance. Insider insights from trusted source TechRev shed light on the Exynos 2400 chip, signaling a significant leap in Samsung's chip performance. However, it's anticipated to slightly trail behind Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, set to power the Galaxy S24 Ultra and specific models within the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus lineup in various regions, which is specially designed for the Galaxy S24 Ultra AI tasks. Notably, Samsung's collaboration with AMD promises GPU capabilities surpassing those of the equivalent A17 Pro chipset in the recently launched iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. The latest Exynos iteration boasts a more compact design, prioritizing improved heat dissipation for sustained performance enhancements, particularly in the Galaxy S24 Ultra and S24 series. A key advantage of the Exynos 2400 over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 lies in its affordability. Leaked pricing details indicate Samsung's intention to maintain the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra pricing structure for the upcoming Galaxy S24 family. This strategic move, considering rising component costs like memory and storage, includes employing both Exynos and Snapdragon across the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus models, contributing to a more cost-effective bill of materials. The Galaxy S24 Ultra and the S24 series, including the S Pen integration, are poised for an early 2024 unveiling, widely anticipated to occur during a Galaxy Unpacked event, potentially scheduled for January 17th. What are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra? Do you think it would live up to the expectations? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, please subscribe for more updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.